The most important English vocabularies about airport and traveling. Part 2, Travel Documents. Now just listen to this conversation carefully. Hey, do you have your passport and visa? We're going to need them for the check-in.
Yes, I've got both. My passport is right here, and the visa is stamped on one of the pages.
Great. I also brought my ID card, just in case. Did you bring yours?
Yes, I have my ID card too. It's always good to have an extra form of identification.
Perfect. Now let's head to the check-in counter to get our boarding passes and drop off our luggage.
Sure thing. I also printed out our itinerary. It has all the details about our flights and accommodations.
Nice. Speaking of flights, did you get the e-tickets or physical ones?
I went for e-tickets this time. They're more convenient, and we won't have to worry about carrying paper tickets around.
Smart choice. Oh, our flight has a layover. How long is it?
According to the itinerary, we have a layover of 2 hours in Frankfurt. Enough time to grab a bite and stretch our legs before the connecting flight.
Sounds good. Let's make our way to the check-in counter and get everything sorted. Our adventure is about to begin. Now we are going to analyze the vocabularies. Remember to download the PDF file of this lesson. Passport. A government-issued travel document that certifies the identity and nationality of its holder. It is required for international travel and serves as proof of identity at border crossings. Visa. An official authorization stamped or affixed to a passport, granting the holder permission to enter, leave, or stay in a specific country for a designated period and purpose. ID card. A government-issued identification card that verifies the identity of the cardholder. While it may not be a primary travel document for international journeys, it can serve as additional identification. Boarding pass. A document issued by an airline that allows a passenger to board a specific flight. It includes details such as the flight number, departure gate, seat assignment, and other relevant information. Ticket. A document that provides proof of purchase for transportation, such as a seat on a plane, train, bus, or other mode of travel. It may be a physical paper ticket or an electronic document. Itinerary. A detailed plan or schedule of a journey, including information about flights, accommodations, activities, and other travel-related details. It helps travelers stay organized during their trip. E-ticket. An electronic ticket that exists in a digital format, usually associated with a unique confirmation number. E-tickets have largely replaced traditional paper tickets and are stored electronically in airline databases. Layover. A period of time during a journey where a traveler has to wait at an intermediate point between connecting flights. It is a scheduled stop between the departure and arrival of flights and can vary in duration. To complete this section, watch the full airport vocabulary playlist videos. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel.